Alam ko kung palagi mo na itong naririnig sa akin. Wait lang pala. Yung normal na kwentuhan, yung pinuntahan nyo kagabi. Wala ka tulog ka. Kayo naman.
Gar, kailangan ko ng shoes. Pa din eh. Yan mo na. Okay na yung sulat ko.
Yan naman na lang. Sige pre, pasok mo naman eh.
Ay, hindi na. I-internalize na ako ng bounce.
Air Force mo na kami.
You're from the 70s, but I'm a 90s bitch. I love it.
Nabutan pa nga.
Butas!
Chocolata.
Pero napapagod kami ha.
Pwede ka na. Naiyak ka.
Summer day when you were gone, I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn.
May baby. Ginaganahan si Mark. Si Romel eh.
Laban natin to, girls. Konti na lang inaantay na kayo ng back.
Ito na nga po. Bagong party list.
You're on a different road. I'm in the Milky Way. You walk me down.
There's no perfect family. There's no perfect wife. There's no perfect husband. Ako lang yung perfect. Then, joke lang yun.
Gusto mag-advise ko lang, just say daw. Yes daw. Yes. Kahit anong sabihin niya, always say yes. Kahit anong request niya, say yes lang. Para tahimik ang mundo. Huwag kang kumunta, kumuha ka na lang.
I love it. I love it. I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I love it.
Mamaya na lang tayo. Kailangan kasi yung dalawa.
DPM na lang niya.
Napili niya.
I love it.
Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you wearing that dress, looking so beautiful, and I don't deserve this. That you love
Perfect tonight!
Palakpakan naman natin si Daddy. Perfect, guys.